And check this out. My nephew's snake, Delilah, is eating this baby rat alive. Look at this. Wow. That's got to be the worst. What a way to go. Poor little guy. And there's my snake not even eating his. Well. And the food chain is a vicious thing, man. Snakes gotta eat, though. I mean, look at that, man. Little rat's still alive. What a terrible feeling being eaten alive. Mine's not even eating his. Dumbass. That one's even got fur and he still can't find it. Usually they have problems finding the little pink motherfuckers. Look at that. Oh, you can see the rat moving. Its throat. Crazy. Crazy shit. Like you can normally just see it moving, but you can actually see it squirming and it's... Oh, wow. Shit is crazy.